Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. 8 divided by 4 times 8 divided by 4 in parentheses. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's start to solve this math expression. 8 divided by 4 equals 2 and 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we have 8 divided by 8. So our final answer is 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. Now according to the PEMDAS that is here in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this multiplication and this division. If we do this multiplication and this division first, it is wrong. Now let's solve this parenthesis first. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Now let's rewrite the expression. 8 divided by 4, and we have one multiplication here and 2. Now in next step we have one multiplication and one division, and as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority according to the PEMDAS. So we have to work from left to right. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. At the end we have 2 times 2. So our final answer is 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.